Whether you're just starting out or wanting to take your running to the next level, here are my top tips to help improve your running technique on roads or trail. Consistency is key. Change doesn't happen over 1 or 2 sessions. You need to get your body to adapt to the stresses of your sessions. So give yourself time, make sure that you show up for each session and do your best in each and every one. Strength and conditioning is so important to help you become a stronger runner. So think of cross-training examples like swimming or cycling, even yoga and Pilates. They're there to complement your body, give you a break from running, and make sure that you're stronger and healthier in the long run. Next tip, think about your form. Maintaining a nice upright posture, engaging your core muscles and using your arms as you run along really helps you run more efficiently and helps you use a lot less energy in those runs. Another tip is to start slow. It's easy to get ahead of yourself and sign up for marathons and races tomorrow and not really be fully prepared for them. So give yourself that opportunity and chance. Do some social runs, do some park runs, explore the different availability that running can provide you. Explore some track, explore some trails, explore some roads, and within that, decide what style of running you prefer. Last but not least, keep yourself accountable by removing any excuses to not get out of that door. So some top tips will be to prep your kit the night beforehand, make sure you know what session you're doing, make sure you have a fueling strategy in place either during the run and afterwards. Call a friend, have them meet up with you either for the run or afterwards. These good things keep you accountable and most importantly, have fun. So there you have it. Those are my top tips to help improve your running technique, whether it's out on the roads or the trails. Main thing to keep in mind that it's a personal journey, okay? So don't take it too seriously, learn as you go along and enjoy yourself, please.